Alam mo ito, sir! Di ko alam to!
Happy birthday to Stel. Yes, or Stel, our hero. Happy birthday.
Those men!
Everyone is there. Everyone is enjoying this moment. Look. Okay. Wild celebration going on. Look. Oh my god. The way he is doing this with his, you know. Wild celebration going on. Literally wild. Yeah, only Stel can do this kind of things. Yeah, everyone is celebrating, everyone is dancing, enjoying this moment, you know.
Music, pwede pa natin sabihin na sabay-sabay. Happy birthday, Stel! In 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Stel! Wow, grabe.
Alam, nagulat ako, hindi ko alam to na may pa-surprise kayo ha.
Kuya Stel, happy birthday ka.
It's a very special moment, you know, celebrating birthday with 18 at Big Hall Music Festival. Wow.
Sabi yung na-surprise ako. Nakakaya naman. Kayo talaga. Thank you. Alam niyo naman na every time na nagse-celebrate talaga kami ng birthday, mas gusto namin ang kasama namin kayo. Kasi, thank you Bicol Music Festival for...
Ano bang wish mo ngayong birthday mo?
Ha?
Ano bang wish?
Wish ko, sana mapuntahan pa natin yung ibang 80 na hindi pa natin napupuntahan.
Yun, pinaka-maganda.
Tsaka sana, hindi lang yung wish natin magkatotoo, pati yung wish nila magkatotoo. Yes.